Let's figure out how the balance sheet actually works. This doesn't need to be confusing. Basically, what we need to know is assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. The assets are the resources that the company owns. Liability is what the company owes to other companies. And equity is just the difference between both of them. Okay, let's take a look at Cava's balance sheet that came out in November of 2024. You can find this in their SEC filings on their website. Basically, you should be able to find any public company's balance sheet online. What we have here is you can clearly see total assets, which is right here, is equal to the total liabilities plus the shareholder equity. Now, the assets are basically made up of current assets, which are here, all of these, and long-term assets, which are here. The liabilities are pretty much the same. They have current liabilities, which are here, and long-term liabilities, which are here. What we can also notice when we look at the balance sheet is how much cash does the company actually have right now. So we can see that Cava has a good amount of cash. And a way to know if the company's balance sheet is strong is, can the company pay all its current liabilities with its cash? And in this case, yes, it definitely can. Another important thing to look at is the current ratio, which is basically the current assets divided by the current liabilities. You should aim to have a number that's pretty much greater than 1. In this case, what we have is the 393,000 around here divided by the 134,000. So that number is pretty much greater than 2. And that means we're in good shape. Other things we can look at here is the inventory level. We got to make sure that the company doesn't increase its inventories too much so that they're not stuck. And other ideas would be to compare, the prior year's cash to this year's cash. So in this case, it's in good shape. And there are many other things to look at in detail, but hopefully this will make understanding it easier and simple for you.